Are you guys able to hear me? Okay. So we have students have been transitioning into data science, continuously. But what we realized is that not every student has been able to do that with the program that they enrolled in, which is GCD, GCDI, and CDF. Yeah. And what we wanted is that we wanted to, because the programs right now are more about upskilling, but a lot of our students wanted not only programs which are focused on upskilling, but which help them get a job. Now, if that is your priority, give me a quick yes in the chat window. If you're looking to transition from your current role into a data science job or a machine learning job, this program is focused not on upskilling, right? If you're focused on upskilling, right, and I think we have Shubham Jain also. Shubham, you have already enrolled, if I'm not wrong, and I'll want you to come on air after some time. Is that if you're looking to upskill, this is not the right program for you. GCD, GCDI is the right program for you. But if you're looking for a job switch, it is the right program for you because this is focused on one word, which is outcome, and one thing, which is success. And we believe that PGP is the program that will help you do that. Now, how will you help? How will it help you do that? We'll see that when we talk about the PGP. That's the first gap that we observed, and that's why PGP came into picture. The second thing what we realized is that what we have done is, and I'm sure a lot of you would have attended Data Science Career Launchpad. Can I get a yes if you have done that? If you have attended, I have done a lot of sessions in Data Science Career Launchpad. You would have attended Data Science Career Launchpad, etc. But what we realized is that even after doing Data Science Career Launchpad, right, a lot of you have still not implemented those things that we actually spoke about. Yes or no? Let me know in the chat window. That we said that make a great resume, we said that make a great portfolio, we said that do this, and we invited speakers and we put a lot of effort and energy, and still a lot of that work is not done, right? And what we see is that the gap is that a lot of you are so stuck up in your day job, right? That what ends up happening is that you attend the session, but you go back to your jobs and you go back to your families and all, and then somewhere the priority, something else ends up taking priority, right? Can I get a yes if you can relate to this? Because we see this, is the pattern. So there is no one. So we are telling you do this, but you are actually not doing this. And the same feedback we get from faculty as well. When the faculty says that students are attending classes, but we ask them that do this, 20-30% of the students are doing it, but rest 70% are not attending quizzes, etc. Right? So that accountability quizzes are there, etc. And that's the whole reason that we started these monthly challenges to make you more active part of the ecosystem. But what we realize is that we need to take a very strict approach if you want to switch to, if your dream is to switch into data science and AI. We need a fundamentally different approach where we are making you committed and holding you accountable for success. Let me know if that is something that you wanted and that has been missing so far in the current program that you are doing, that we are telling you, but you're not doing a lot of these things. So nobody is holding you accountable. And that's why you're doing a bunch of things, and whenever it suits you and whenever you get time, but nobody is saying that no, we want this, like the way your boss tells you. Nobody is telling you that, and that's why some of the gaps in your switch are coming, and that's what the PGP program intends to fill. Third is the in-class learning is limited because of too many things to be taught. All of you now, you have been undergoing the programs. You would see that data science and AI is a huge world, and not everything can be taught in the class, right? For example, you have to talk. For example, if you are a manager, right? We can't be teaching things like AI strategy. How do you build an AI strategy from ground up? How do you build AI teams? How do you build AI culture? How do you build data science pipelines? How do you build products? And is everyone with me? Because if we start covering these topics in the class, then the class become non-technical kind of topics, and then students then beats the whole purpose of class, that you would rather devote that time on let's say learning TensorFlow or learning Keras or learning the deep learning or computer vision framework. So let me know if this is something that you feel that is also missing the last point, which I believe is so very important, that the practical real world part, that let's start with the first thing, which is how do you build an AI strategy, right? How do you think about an AI? Because your company might not even be thinking about that. And that's something that we believe is very, very crucial if you want to succeed in data science, right? And that is the gap. These four were the gaps that we realized that we need to fill. And for filling these gaps, what I'm very happy about is, and what I'm really excited about sharing with you, is we launched this program called PGP in Data Science and Artificial Intelligence. And this is a program that you would absolutely love. Now, why would you love this program, and how does this solve some of the problems? Number one, let me just open the brochure. Have you all gone through the brochure? Let me know if you have. I'll make you understand the program through the brochure a bit. Just a minute. Give me 1 second. Yeah. So this is the PGP in Data Science and AI brochure. Now, if you look at it, it has a 12 plus 3 month model. Now, how many of you observed that? Why is it not 15 month? Why is it 12 plus 3 months? Let me know if you did observe that, right? It is not 15 months, it is 12 plus 3 months, right? Now, that's the first thing about this program, that it is a 12 plus 3 month program. Now, the whole reason of keeping it 12 plus 3 months is that in this program, what is not going to happen is that you are going to learn a bunch of things, which is you will go through data science, which you will go through the parts that you have already undergone in GCD program, and all of these things are already covered. You would have covered. And then you are undergoing currently, let's say, the AI track. Some of those of you who are signed up in the GCDI program, it remains the same. Now, what is different about this is that number one is that this fellowship, 3-month fellowship program. Now, how we thought about the fellowship is we did not want it to become a class-based model, right? That we do not want that after attending classes non-stop Saturday, Sunday for 1 hour, you are again attending classes Saturday, Sunday for 1 hour. For again 3 months. What we wanted is it should be a workshop driven model, wherein we are doing workshops in these fellowship terms. So that's the first thing about this program, which is unique. That is, you have AI fellowship terms. I will talk about the first fellowship term, which is for 3 months. In this, you will cover CV3 and NLP3. But the second and the most important part that you will be covering is auto vision and auto NLP. How many of you foresee that data science and machine learning and AI is going to move to cloud and is increasingly moving to cloud? And cloud is going to be a very important part of this entire matrix. Let me know if that's something that you feel is really, really important. I believe that the gold mine is going to be machine learning, AI on cloud. And what we have done in this is that we have introduced something called auto vision and auto NLP. What you'll be doing is you'll be working on Google Cloud, and you'll be implementing real world data science solution at scale. Firstly, you will be learning Google Cloud a little bit, how to work on cloud. Again, it's a workshop model, so please do not expect that it will be Saturday, Sunday classes and we'll teach you everything from scratch. Rather, what we'll do is that this is the goal, this is the vision. Now we have to implement something, and you'll be implementing it along, through the week. Yeah. The second part is that building AI solution. Now, what is really important is that today recruiters want something called POCs. All of us are aware about this, right? POCs, Proof of Concept. Now, what is really important is that today recruiters want something called POCs. All of us are aware about this, right? All of us are aware about this. right? Proof of concept. That when we talk about AI, AI or data science, so what no company wants is that, okay, you have done a bunch of courses, this is good, but can you build a POC? Is that correct? Right? Everybody is going to say that, can you build an AI POC, and then we'll take it to the client, and then we'll make the client evaluate, and we'll not charge the client, and then the client will say that, I like your POC, can you do more? Now, for building that POC, now the problem that you're going to face is that you might not have an AI team with you. Can I get a yes for this? If that is your state right now, that you might want to go to the client, but you might not have a team with you, right? Now, who's going to do data ingestion? Unfortunately, you don't have data engineers. Who's going to do data processing? Who's going to do this model building and cloud? And who's going to do model tuning? And finally, deployment on GCP server, right? It is you, right? And that's the whole idea of this, that in the GCDI program, what you'll be doing is you are building an AI capstone project, and you're building an AI solution, for example, a facial recognition system. But a facial recognition system is not a solution in itself. It is an AI use case. Is everyone with me on this point? But facial recognition system will require a data pipeline, for example. Yeah. Is that point clear for everyone? Because this is a kind of a major difference between a capstone project and building a product. So if you're building, for example, in GCDI, a capstone project in which you have a facial recognition, and you will use computer vision, and you build something, but you need to build a data pipeline for it. Where is the data going to come from? You need to build a strategy for it. How is the end user going to benefit from this? Then you need to set a dashboard for it. Then you need to set you need to deploy it on cloud, right? And that's what you will be doing in this fellowship. It is a totally hands-on fellowship in which you will get to do things end to end. Let me know if this looked exciting to you, because if it did, the next part will look even more exciting to you, which is fellowship track 2. Right. So I spoke about fellowship track 1. This is the first track of fellowship, which is highly technical in nature. The fellowship track 2 is about those of you who are already at managerial positions. Yeah. So how many of you are looking at AI from a leadership position and not so much from a managerial position, point of view? Let me know that, because the fellowship track is for those of you who are already at like AVP level, senior manager level, delivery manager level, project management level, right? So there the priorities are going to be different. And I can see Ashok, Shraddha, everyone. Shraddha is writing, I'm deputy general manager. A lot of you are already directors, assistant director. Sudha is writing, I'm senior project manager. So fantastic. So for you, what would really interest you, and I'm sure this is something that you would absolutely love, and right now you not have seen that in the brochure, is this AI Fellowship Track 2. This is meant for mid-senior professionals, and the whole goal of this Fellowship Track 2 is this, that you will master AI strategy and execution, and you will build AI product. Now, what I mean by that is, if you look at the curriculum here, the curriculum of this fellowship track is very different. Can you all see that it is not CV3 and NLP3 and all? It is AI for leaders. How do you build your first POC? Because that's a very important thing. What kind of salaries do you need to give to your team? What kind of people would you require on your team? Where would you hire your team from? Then AI scoping and solutioning. Today, the industry thinks that AI, if they have hired you for AI, you are a Superman and you can do everything. But is that true? That is not true. You need to scope out, and you need to do solutioning of. You need to basically do AI scoping, that what we are going to do, and you have to use those agile methods that some of you would already be familiar with. What is the scope of this project? What am I going to do in V1? What am I going to do in V2? And how am I going to do the launches? So this is the AI project management framework. Yeah. So Prashant writes, or Prashanti writes, I'm already game. I just want to know the fee structure. Great to see that enthusiasm, Prashant. But I think what is really important is firstly, understand this a little more, because you would want to choose that you want to take fellowship 1 or fellowship 2. Second is AI pipeline. Now, all of you will be learning in GCDI program, TensorFlow, Keras, and computer vision and NLP and all of that. But how do you build the pipeline? Because the problem today you would see, and if you have been following INSEAD on LinkedIn, you would see is that a lot of people say, and data leaders say, is problem today is not a machine learning models. Problem is building those data pipelines. Yeah. Is everyone with me on this? That how do you build a pipeline? Because AI model is going to work only when you have pipeline. Your company might not even know how to integrate the pipeline pipeline properly. Yeah. So you need to know what is the right tools for building that pipeline. How do you architect, this pipeline? And again, we are not going to go deep into this. It is again AI for leaders. So we are going to look at it a high level, that how do you build pipelines, how you export, do you export data from your Hadoop system or big data system or SQL, whatever that system is, and then how do you feed that into your ML model. And the third part is AI on Google platform, which is this, that we would want to look at what we spoke about, auto vision and auto NLP. Here again, we are not going to build solution very deep, but what we will what will we be looking at is what are the basics of cloud computing, what is Google AI platform, how do you deploy things without coding a lot, right? And we'll be doing a case study. And fourth is then finally you will be building an AI product. And here the difference in approach is, I hope everybody is able to see this. You will be doing right from project definition and scope, which you already do as project managers. You will be evaluating the correct approach. Then you will be building the AI architecture and you will be executing the solution. This is AI Fellowship Track 2. Let me know which one of these two tracks excite you more. Track 1 is for more technical people and track 2 is for people who are at managerial levels, right? Let me know in the chat window. Abhinav writes track 2, Nirmal tracks 2, Manish writes track 2, Chirandeep writes tracks 2, track 2, track 2, track 2. Almost everybody is for track 2, right? Where are the technical people here? Okay. Okay, only track 2. Ashok writes track 2 and then 1. Okay, fantastic. Is everything going good so far? Let me just quickly get a sense. I hope you're enjoying the session and what this program has to offer. Yeah, that's the first part about the program that you would absolutely love. The second part about the program is that once is the aspect about what we spoke about is the job guarantee part, which is very, very crucial. And let me see if I have the document. I might have missed that document today. The whole idea is that until unless we are not pushing you, right, you will not get a data science job. And the whole idea is that we want you to push yourself, right? And we will be doing this through a job guarantee basic pledge. Let me just see, Rima, can you post that basic pledge? I want you to go through this job guarantee basic pledge. The whole idea is that if you do some of the basics that are required, right, you will get a job within 6 months of graduation from the program. What you'll have here is you'll have a personalized mentor who will be telling you that right now, as I said, when you are attending a session like this, where you have 150 people, everybody writes yes, but then a lot of you people don't implement it. So your goal is that if you want to be successful, you need to have someone holding, you accountable on a week basis. So you might want to go through this job guarantee basic pledge. If you do this, what I can tell you is that cracking data science and AI roles is no rocket science. You will definitely get a job. What will help is that the most important part is, and some of you already have had interactions with me, for example, is that a lot of you might not know what is the target role. This is so very important. If you start applying for random roles just like that, you will not be able to crack roles. So what is really important is that you will get a career coach. Your career coach will help you understand the target role, and will your entire resume will be crafted after making those changes to your resume. Your resume will be crafted, your GitHub profile will be made, and everything will be done in such a way that you are ready for your target role. Plus, you will be undergoing mock interviews, etc., that you might want to look at. The whole idea is, I will not go into the details, I don't want to make it too long. The whole idea is that if you follow the basic principles of getting a job, and if you're putting the effort along with us, we want to make you successful, and that's what our whole goal is. Let me know if you like this job guarantee feature, because this is something that will truly help you get the results that you are looking for, and you will have someone holding you accountable for ensuring that you actually become successful. Yeah. Okay, so that's about the PGP program. Now let's move to uh, uh, to some of the other aspects. Those of you who are already in the GCD program and GCD AI program and CDF program, you can enroll for the PGP program. Now I'll help you understand that how do you do that. Now the first thing is that before we get to the upgrade, let me just take a couple of questions that you would have, and I would love to answer two questions, and then we'll move to how should you upgrade, what is the process for upgrading, and the launch offer that a lot of you have actually come here in the session for, and I'm sure that I will not disappoint you on that. Yeah. Parimal writes, how does this job guarantee program help for a person with 15 years of experience and does not come from a technical background? Great question, Parimal. Parimal, you would see that if you have 15 years of experience, let's say we have one of our students, for example, Dheeraj Kulkarni. He was working as a delivery manager at IBM, and now he has transitioned to senior manager data analytics in pre-sales in Wipro. Make sense, Dheeraj? So the question, and he had exactly your kind of experience. Yeah. So the question is, what is your target role? Jojo, are you also clear with that? And the important thing is identifying the target role. So from a delivery manager transitioning to a senior manager data analytics, you'll get a salary hike, very good salary hike. You'll be in the future, and you will not be just applying to a data scientist role, for example. I hope that makes things clear. Yeah. All right. Next is need suggestion online with, and I have started GCD but couldn't complete it. How PGP can help? Atish, this is a fantastic opportunity. I hope the reason I'm sure the reason you would not have completed GCD is that something would have come in your way. But if are you really serious about transitioning? Are you really serious from doing something new with your career and moving to a world where Elon Musk, Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Tesla are moving, which is AI and data science? If yes, I think, we are with you in this journey, and that's why the whole program of PGP will help you. All right. So 2 questions I've taken. I will take more questions in a while, but in the meantime, let me know if you are excited about the launch offer, because this launch offer, I'm sure, is something that you would absolutely love. Let me know, and then I can start taking all the questions. Manish, I'll definitely take your questions in a while. Give me a quick yes, everyone, that if you are interested in this program, because this launch offer will absolutely make it super affordable for you to be able. You are happy. You are the future of INSEAD. You are the students who have taken INSEAD to where it is, and through this launch offer. But what we want to ensure is that give you as much value as possible, so that you can upgrade. The first thing about this launch offer is what you're definitely getting is if you have gotten 70% fee waiver, the same is applicable on the program fee as well. So what you would be able to do is you would be able to enroll in the program at just 1.5 lakhs plus GST. That's the first part. Now, that's the good part. Now, here comes the second good part that I'm sure you would love, which is right now, since this is the first program, what we are giving is a complete GST waiver. We will take the GST on us. Let me know if you loved it. So you will not have to pay 1.85 lakh plus 18% GST on that. You just have to pay just 1.5 lakh. You don't have to pay the GST on this. Third is, and this is something that all of you now would absolutely love, which is you don't have to pay the full fee. You just have to pay the difference in between the program that you're currently enrolled in and the PGP fee after the GST waiver. I want you to calculate that for you and let me type in the chat window because I want to see how many of you are from GCDI. I think most of you are anyway in GCDI and how many of you are in GCD. So calculate that difference. GCDI fees is 1.05 lakh, subtract 1.5 from 1.05 from 5, it is 45,000 for GCD, subtract the fee accordingly, and I think you should be able to do that. Yeah. So does this upgrade look good? So you are not enrolling for a new program. You're not paying the full fee. All you're doing is you're just paying the this upgrade fee. Let me know if this is helpful and let me know if this is something that you were looking forward to. Yeah. Shrikant, right? This is really good. I have already enrolled. Okay, Shrikant, I will definitely want to take you. Yeah, the remaining fee. Chandralekha writes the remaining fee. Absolutely. So you just deduct the fee that you have paid, for the program GCD or GCDI, and you deduct it from 1.5 lakhs. Yeah. Okay. Last is something that you would be interested in. You can split this fee of 45,000 also. Our goal is that we want that you should be able to upskill and you should be able to enroll in this program irrespective of the financial constraints that you would have. You can split it into 5 EMIs of 9,000. If you want this EMI option, let me know. Give me a quick yes. This will ensure that you are able to enroll in this program with the EMI option. This is hardly anything. And our goal, as I said at INSEAD, and it's not that you are new students of INSEAD. You are already enrolled in INSEAD. You love everything, and that's why you are here, right? So you have EMI options available for a limited time, and Rima would let you know about the EMI options once you speak with her. This is through our finance partner. And last is the job guarantee add-on. For the job guarantee add-on, there is a separate fee. As you would be able to see, the job guarantee add-on is of 30,000. So what you have to pay is 1.5 lakh plus it is a job guarantee add-on fee of 30,000, right? In the launch offer for our enrolled students like you, all of you who are here, right? What you get is you get a waiver on this job guarantee add-on as well. How good is that? Let me know. So you pay 0 for this job guarantee add-on. You get to go through the entire job guarantee program, and all you are doing is paying 0. If you loved it, let me know. Type in love it in the chat window, or if this is something that you absolutely found useful, let me know that as well. If you found it great, let me know that as well. You are paying 0, let me repeat, you're paying nothing for this job guarantee add-on. Yeah, and you avail everything, personalized mentoring, whatever is required to get you into a data science job, whatever is required to make you successful, right from mock interviews to giving you opportunities. Yeah, so if how many of you are interested in signing up for the PGP program? Because what I'll do right now is I'll give you the link to the form, And through this form, you can you can fill up this form. It's a form through which Rima from academics, and I'm sure all of you would already be in touch with. She will reach. You will be able to connect with Rima. But remember, right now this is the first batch. Only 30 students are allowed in the first batch. Rima, can you post the link? I'm not sure if I have the link. The link is posted in the chat window. Let me just see the link. Yeah. So let me just open the link, and it's opening in here. Here is the link. Everyone, just give your name, give your email address, current program you are enrolled in. For example, you would want to write GCDA AI August batch. So we also know your batch, and we are able to track you in the system, and you Rima is able to find you in an easier way. And why are you interested in so and so, etc., and do you want EMI options, so that we can make the arrangements for you accordingly with our finance partners. Yeah. Okay. I hope so. Go ahead, everyone. Sign up for this launch offer for students for PGP. This is a program that will put you on the track to success in data science and AI, and that's something that you are here for, have been at INSEAD for, and I hope that this program will make you super successful. These are the 5 things that you get as INSEAD students, only exclusive for you, because this is the launch offer. Go ahead, everyone, and sign up for the on the type form. So let me now start taking questions one after the other. Shavik writes, I missed the first 20-25 minutes. What's the difference in we have covered in PGP versus GCDI? So three major differences, Shavik. One is the fellowship. You get to do 1 fellowship or 2 fellowships also. You can do 2 fellowships of 3 months each. Number 1. Number 2 is it comes with a job guarantee add-on, right? And that too you are getting free. Yeah. Rahul writes, hi Manav, how many more months would it take for GCDI folks? So GCDI folks, Rahul, you would be finishing up the GCDI program, I think by September, I think, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So the program, the rest of the module, the fellowship will start somewhere in October. And from January 2022, the 6-month job guarantee will kick in if you're able to finish it in time. Yeah. So do we have one-on-one coach in job guarantee? Of course, Bhanu, the whole idea of job guarantee is to make you accountable, because even if we say that you have this job guarantee and you're not accountable, how do we hold you accountable? We will hold you accountable only when you have a one-on-one coach. So I hope, Bhanu, I have answered your question. Yeah. Next is, somebody is writing, I have not been able to fill up the form. Everyone, can you all clarify if you have been able to fill up the form? I think somebody has this question. Yeah. Mandeep writes, yes, I'm able to. Already filled up. Jojo, Rima is writing, I'm not able to enable, I have able to. Okay. So everyone, it is working. Jojo, can you try from incognito? I don't know. Rima, can you also fill up the form once, please, so that you know that you are able to do it on your own? Yeah. Next question is, I wanted to have my own startup. How will this program help you? So if you're looking to, this program honestly is not if you're looking to build a startup, right? But it will definitely help you. The whole idea is to get you into a data science and AI job. Then you build your startup, you do whatever, that is up to you. That's totally up to you. But if your goal is to switch into a data science role or an AI role or something related to that, this program is the right program for you. Yeah. Next question is what is the additional upgrade fee for GCDI folks? The additional upgrade fee for GCDI folks, Anurag, is that you, if I'm not wrong, is the difference between the fee. So let me just give you the fee with GST waiver. Since we are footing your GST and you are not paying the GST to the government, we are doing it on your behalf. It is 1.5 minus 1.05 lakhs. Yeah, so this is 45, which you can split into 5 EMIs. And Rima, can you confirm if the form is working? Okay. Mandeep writes GCD to PGP. So all you have to do is subtract the fee for GCD, which is 1.5 minus 69, right? 1.5 minus 69.69, and that's the difference. You can have this split into 12-month EMI also. Those of you who are looking to upgrade from GCD to PGP, right? The amount might be a little on the higher side because GCD to GCDI is hardly anything, is just 45,000. Yeah. But those of you who are looking to enroll from GCD to PGP, the amount might be around 70 or 70,000. If this is 80,000, you can split this into 11-month EMI. I'm not promising you. We have to find out with the finance partner. Rima will be able to give you that clarity. Yeah. Okay. Next question is, everyone, the form is open. I'm right now taking in questions. The form remains open. Please fill it up. And tomorrow, Rima is going to reach out to you and you can ask your question. You can upgrade through Rima. As I said, this is the first batch. A lot of people have already enrolled before even joining the session. And I hope you are able to do it by tomorrow. Okay, Ashish writes, I have resigned and joined INSEAD in Jan 2021 to upgrade my skills for good career growth. Ashish, can you let me know your questions, please? Yeah. I have enrolled for GCDI. Can I join PGP after completing 11 months GCDI, 11 plus 4 months? Yes, Pradeep, you can absolutely do that. Yeah. Next is Sudha writes, shorter duration, 9 months, but this is 15 months. And with some of the competitors are giving the program for shorter duration in 9 months itself. So that if you want to do a 9-month program or 10-month program, you should look at GCDI. You are already, which program are you enrolled in? The whole goal is, we believe that data science and AI cannot be done, and you would have seen it for yourself, right? You are already undergoing the GCD program or a GCDI program. Is it possible to cover everything in 6 months or 7 months? And that's what we do in GCDI. Although we say that it's 6 months, but you would have seen that it easily takes 7 to 8 months just to complete the GCDI program, GCD program. Yeah. So I hope that makes sense. So you need that buffer time to absorb. It is not right. You're not appearing for a theoretical interview. Here you are looking to switch jobs, and to switch jobs you need time. I hope so that you are clear. And more importantly, since it's a job guarantee program, we believe that we can do justice to that promise only when we have totally prepared you, and this fellowship program is going to be a game changer in preparing you. Yeah. I have resigned as a deputy manager. Nice. So will I be considered as a fresher or an experienced? Of course, you'll be considered as an experienced candidate, Ashish. What you have to look at is that you have a set of skills. You will be building upon those skills. Yeah. Vishal said, so would I be starting from scratch once again in PGP? Everyone, this is a very good question that Vishal has asked. No, you will not be starting the program all over again. Is that clear? Because you would see the first 6 months of PGP are the same as GCD. And those of you who have done GCD have already done GCD. You don't need to redo it. Yeah. Those of you who are enrolled in GCDI, you have already done these modules. Yes, you don't need to redo. What you'll be doing is the 2 fellowship tracks, track 1 for technical, track 2 for leaders and managers, and then you will be undergoing the building AI products, etc., one-on-one coaching sessions, etc. So it is more handheld, personalized mentoring session. Yeah. Okay. Next question is If I shift from GCD to PGP, after GCD, the fellowship will be started. Bhagyashree, no. Fellowship will start as per the curriculum of PGP, which is after the you are done AI. Because till the time you would see the fellowship is focused on AI. So till the time you have not done AI, how will you do the fellowship? Make sense? So you will need to go in a step-by-step way. We are great fans, and you would see that in that show in the teaching methodology as well. And that's the reason that all of you are here, because you want more of everything. Is that shortcut does not work in the world of data science and AI. It's a vast world. If you go unprepared, if your knowledge is superficial, you'll get crushed. But if you go deep, if you take your time, if you take few months more, you will be prepared. And that's the whole idea behind this, the PGP program. Yeah. So, Vishal, yes, you can start right now. If you're in the starting of the program, you will undergo the program. You will be undergoing the fellowship when it comes, but this launch offer will not be there, because this launch offer is right now, in which you are getting this GST waiver, and you are getting you're getting the job guarantee add-on free of cost. So all of this will be paid later. I hope that makes sense. Yeah. So you will get the 70% waiver later also, but you will need to pay 27,000 more in GST, and you will need to get this job guarantee add-on. The whole idea is, of doing this launch offer is to help all of you who are part of the INSET community upskill with the PGP program and actually transition successfully. Yeah. Okay. Is it possible to go through both the tracks? What's the additional fee? How many of you would want to do both fellowship track 1 and fellowship track 2? Give me a quick yes, everyone, if you would want to do that. This is the technical term track, as I said, and this is the leadership track, which is fellowship track 2. I'll just open it again. If you want to do both, there is no extra fee. There is no extra fee, but remember, the workload is going to be quite a lot, right? So we would recommend that you firstly, if you're ready to, if you are flexible, you are ready to learn, and you're hungry to learn, then there is no stopping. So if you want to do both, we all game always. Yeah. Okay. Next question is, let me also take Shubham. Shubham, I think Shubham Jain is from TCS. And Rima, can you put Shubham on air? I think Shubham, you have already enrolled for PGP program. So if you can unmute yourself and help us understand your vision for enrolling, and which program are you part of? Number one, and why have you enrolled in the PGP program now? I think you are among the first people to upgrade. Welcome, and you can unmute yourself, Shubham. Over to you.
Hi,
Hi, Shubham.
Yeah, so currently I have a 5.5 year of experience in the automation testing, and currently working with the financial firm Morgan Stanley, not at TCS.
Okay, and which program are you in current?
So previously I enrolled the GCD AI program, and now I have enrolled the PGP. I have upgraded my program basically.
Fantastic. So what was the vision for enrolling in PGP program?
Yeah, so since last 5 years, I'm working on the automation side, automation testing using the Java and Selenium. So I'm from the coding background because I have done CDEC as well previously from the Pune headquarters. But now I'm more interested into the data science because there are a lot of things to learn and creating the models and all. So pretty interested. So that's the reason I have joined this course.
Fantastic. But the question is that you are already enrolled in GCDI. So
yeah, so the reason to upgrade the job guarantee program, because if you have a knowledge and if you are not getting the job, then there is no use of that program. So the job guarantee is very much important nowadays.
All right. But are you ready to kind of put that effort and commitment? Because right now, and I'm sure, and I see that you are very active on LinkedIn also. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So kudos to you for that. But are you ready to be held accountable? Right now, we give you a lot of things, but a lot of times you do it, you don't do it. But are you ready for that very rigorous kind of approach?
Yeah, I don't have any issue because definitely I need to move my career, so definitely I need to give my 100%.
All right, fantastic.
जो
Welcome,
स्टिकी बैनर है, स्मार्ट
welcome,
बैनर, वो
thank
मैंने
you
प्रेस
for
करके दे
sharing with
दिया
us.
है, और जो क्रिएटर वाला है,
So you can unmute, you can mute yourself. All right. Gautam writes, Gautam, would you want to fill up the form so that you can have a detailed discussion with Rima? And I think she can answer all of these questions. Everyone, all of these questions regarding fee and all can be taken. I think if you have any other questions, they're already very clear. I've already told you the fee, etc., that this is the fee, whatever you have paid, minus it from this, and that's something that you need to pay for as upgrade fee. You don't need to re-enroll, number one, and you can split it into EMIs. Yeah. All right. May I know which companies we would be offered post interviews, post the PGP program? So there'll be a variety of companies. You'll get access to a job portal called Quantum. And the whole idea of this job portal is that you would be able to select the target role. For example, there would be categories like data analytics manager, data scientist, etc. And you would be able to apply to all sort of companies. And you would see that right now, if I start talking about the number of companies where our students have transitioned from, for example, this, right? So you would see, all kind of companies. So there is no one specific company, but huge number of companies that you would have access to. Yeah. Okay. Next is Prasanna writes, any university affiliations? No, the whole reason we have avoided any university affiliation is because we believe that education is best done by people who are actually in the industry, and university affiliation prevents you from doing this cutting edge kind of programs like fellowship, etc. It's more a cookie cutter kind of approach that wherein you're learning basics of AI, etc. And that's why we have avoided getting into any university partnership. It is full-blown, independent, autonomous certification, but with something that you will actually walk out of the program with totally transformed in terms of your resume, in terms of your GitHub, in terms of your portfolio, job briefcase that you will get, etc. And we hope that you will become successful in this space. Yeah. Everyone, let me know last two questions and then we'll wind up. We have spent quite a few, almost 1 hour, with the last 5 minutes are left, and I would be happy to take on any questions. Okay. Sudha writes, is there a limit on interviews for placement? What sort of structure or clauses would be set up for that? So nothing, Sudha, if you look at our job guarantee basic pledge, so the whole reason we have kept it as a basic pledge and not terms and conditions is you would see that, Sudha, right? Those terms and conditions that we are always scared of whenever we go purchase anything or whenever we go anywhere, there are so many terms and conditions spread over like hundreds that that you will not be able to fulfill those terms and conditions. It is simple basic pledge. Yeah. And there is no limit on the interviews for placement. The important thing is going to be whether you're prepared for those opportunities or not. Yeah. Make sense? Chiranjit, right, needs support on industrial AI application in the fellowship. Chiranjit, are you talking about IoT and are you talking about IoT and manufacturing? Yeah. Yeah, so Chiranjit, the good news is that in this fellowship, we'll also be inviting people, industry experts from manufacturing companies. For example, head of data science for Tata Steel. Make sense? The goal is that right now, so far at INSEAD, we have been calling a lot of people from IT and software domain. But what we see is that for people like you, and you are one of the best students at INSEAD and recognized at INSEAD, you are not working in, you have nothing to do with IT, right? So you would want to see that how does someone become a head of data science for Tata Steel? We don't even associate Tata Steel with data science. Is that correct, Chiranjit? But Tata Steel already has a head of data science. And the idea of this fellowship is to expose you to that experience and help you build these industrial IoT products as well. Yeah. Gautam writes, is there any chance to get more months to pay EMI for CDF people? Absolutely, Gautam. as we said, Gautam, the idea is that if you're serious about your career, at INSEAD, we have supported you so far and we'll continue supporting you. Finance is not going to be an issue. Make sense, Gautam? You can get EMI options, you'll get everything. Don't worry about the options. Whatever your budget is, whatever your constraint is, we will take care of that. Does that help? Okay. So just fill up that form. Rima will discuss the options with you all. Everyone, thank you very much for being here. Let me know if you liked the session, if you love the session, if you found it useful, like give me your comments in the chat window. And if you think that this program is truly going to help you, let me know that as well. The whole idea is that we, Suchit, I, and the program committee, Nikhil, and a lot of people from the industry worked on this program non-stop for the last couple of years. How could the fellowship be different? How do we not give, make it a cookie cutter program? How would this program help our students fill up the gaps that they're currently experiencing in the program? So I hope all of you found the last question is from sabbatical. Make sense, Shavik? You can continue with the full-time job, but you need to give that time to this fellowship. So if you're not serious about doing the fellowship, please do not enroll for this. You can't say in the end that I don't have time. Like, in GCD, students, people attending classes, not attending classes, but here you will be marked negatively if you're not attending classes. Yeah. Sudha writes a very good program and will be helpful for the industry and the students. Students are ready for the industry at technical managerial level, which is the bonus. Thank you so much, Sudha, for that great comment. Really appreciate it. And I hope you derive a lot of value from this program. And I hope it helps you get you to the level that you want in your career, possibly in terms of designation, in terms of more exciting opportunities, and possibly in terms of keeping you safe in the industry, in terms of how the industry is getting disrupted, right? Thank you, everyone, for opportunities in USA, no. So that's the first part about the job guarantee basic pledge. It is applicable for Indian citizens looking for a job in India. Yeah, okay. So it is for US, it is for India. Yeah. Prashant writes, as a parting thought, please ensure to balance the coder and non-coder aspect of learning, as I feel that many have apprehension about non-coders at times, including faculty, which at times being counterproductive. Prashant, if you want a job in AI, right, you have to get comfortable with the idea of coding, right? So, but what I would say is that you need to take one step at a time. That's the way I would say it. Prashant, does that make sense? So nobody is saying that become the best coder here. But what we are saying is that if you're picking up one area of AI, can you become the best in that, Prashant? That's what the goal is. Yeah. Okay. How many hours expected for each track and 2 tracks together? It is not class-based model, Sudha, so you're not going to be attending classes, so it is not like hours. So you'll have, like, say 2 hours for one track on Saturday, and then assignments will be given that this is what you need to do in this entire work. It's a workshop-driven model. The classes might happen on Saturday, it might happen on the weekday evening, not classes, workshop. We'll call a lot of people from the industry also to interact with you all. Yeah. So with this, it's 9 o'clock. Thank you, everyone. I'm sure that you'll be waiting for your dinner and you don't want to keep on listening to me talking here, but it was really a pleasure having so many of you in this session. I hope we help you get there to the level that you want to get to. Thank you very much. God bless you. And if you have any questions, just speak with Rima. You have her phone number. Rima, can you post your phone number, please, so that if anybody wants to talk to you, they would be able to talk to you. Already have everyone Rima's number, but for making it easy, this is the number. In case the number is busy anytime and Rima is not able to get back to you, please, give her some time, because you would know that there are hundreds of people interested in the program, and we will definitely get back to you. But Please remember there are only 30 seats for this, so you would want to be among the first one to enroll. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Raghu, classes will not happen on the weekday. It will happen on the weekend. Industry speaker sessions might happen on one of the some weekdays. Yeah. Thank you, everyone, and God bless you, and take care.